I made a Naruto Rasengan effect, which is in the 3D engine. Hello, I'm Ethan Lin. I love ACG field things as much as you do, such as Naruto, One Piece, Zelda, and so on. I've always hoped that I can make the fighting skills in these anime or games, but I don't have any friends around me who are engaged in this field and have no contacts in the industry, but none of these can stop me. Through some self-study courses on the internet, I can easily realize this cool thing now. After watching this video, I believe you can also learn such knowledge. Before we start, please click the subscribe button and the bell button of the video. It's very important to me. Thank you very much. First of all, I chose to use Unity Engine to make Rasengan, and downloaded a free game scene in Unity Asset Store. It is very beautiful, and we can use it to build game scenes quickly. Then I searched and downloaded Naruto's model on the internet and used it to show our Rasengan effect. In the second quarter, I began to look for pictures and videos about Rasengan on the internet to analyze the components of Rasengan's skills. After a series of explorations, I found that the most effective and simple analysis method was to watch the videos of Rasengan's paintings. Therefore, I found inspiration in a video drawing Rasengan. As shown in the figure, the most important component of Rasengan is a blue ball with bright white light in the center, so I use Photoshop's circular brush tool to paint its approximate shape. You don't need to draw the pattern very similar to the one in the video, just outline the approximate shape. Then I imported the pictures into the game engine. I used Unity's particle system to create a particle. And gave it a special effect material instance. Then increase the brightness of Rasengan. This will serve as the bottom frame of Rasengan. Come to the second, and most important part of Rasengan, the vortex energy body, which is composed of a series of chaotic line segments and has been rotating irregularly. I copied a particle in the same way. And gave it a special effect material instance. The texture used is very simple, and you can doodle it at will. Changed it into a ball model. Then I modified the size of X and Y in the tilling value of material instance, but it would be stretched like this. Finally, the most important step is to make multiple balls appear and disappear repeatedly. When these balls overlap, it has the feeling of disordered energy in Rasengan. Next, let's give Rasengan a luminous effect. It's very simple. I downloaded a picture like this from the internet, copied a particle, and made a number of the same particles appear continuously, thus achieving such an effect. Our Rasengan has another key thing: lighting. We can add a particle system and a stack of point lights. Turn on the lighting function of the particle system and put the stack of lights into the particles. Then we make Rasengan shine, and it can illuminate Naruto's model. Then we created some random flying spots. And some gathered lines. and the production progress of our Rasengan reached 90%. Finally, we add a little adjustment to Rasengan, like this twisted special effect texture. Add some flying smoke and stones in the scene. And add some post-processing effects to the scene camera. Then we finished. If you see it here, please give this video a like, share it, and click the subscribe and bell buttons below so that you can see the update of the same type of video next week. If you have any ideas about this video, or want to recommend some video themes to me, please let me know in the comment section below.